Question number 11. Of 12. A point on the hypotenuse of a right triangle is at a distance of A and B from the sides of the triangle so that the length is minimum of the hypotenuse. This is a right triangle. Any point on a hypotenuse is P. I will take A and B. This is A, B, C. Drop a perpendicular from P to sides BC and AC. You will get this point, you will take M, this point you will take N. This is 90 also, this is 90, this is theta, and what it becomes, it is 90 minus theta, angle A. So this side is A and this is B, y axis is B, point AB. So what is the length? This is given to you. ABC is a right triangle, it is given to you. And so that the length of the hypotenuse is minimum. So, given a triangle ABC is a right triangle, and to prove करना है length of hypotenuse L is equal to AB is minimum, and जो length है, what is the length? This also you have to prove A to the power 2 by 3 plus B to the power 2 by 3 to the power 3 by 2. ये आपको क्या करना है? प्रूव करना है length of the hypotenuse. Now I will start. So what is AB? L is equal to AB is bifurcation of AB is BP plus AP. BP plus AP. Now, what is BP? What is BP in triangle, in right triangle PMB or PBM? You know that this is PB upon B is equal to H. Hypotenuse upon perpendicular is cosec theta. So PB is equal to B cosec theta. Similarly, in right triangle A and P, AP upon, this is what? AP upon A. So hypotenuse upon base, H upon base is equal to sec theta is equal to H upon, this is 9, this is perpendicular, no? This is angle के सामने perpendicular. Hypotenuse upon perpendicular is sin theta. Here H upon cosec theta, so it is cosec A cosec 90 minus theta. This you understand? It is what? Hypotenuse. And it is what? Perpendicular. So H upon P is perpendicular, hypotenuse upon perpendicular is cosec, and angle is 90 minus theta. Cosec 90 minus theta is sec theta. This is H upon P. So AP is equal to A sec theta. A sec theta. So length is equal to, put it here, this and this, BP is B cosec theta plus A sec theta. This is equation 1. Now differentiate it with respect to theta. If I differentiate it, dl by d theta is equal to cosec का होता है minus b cosec theta cot theta plus sec का होता है a sec theta tan theta. So this is the differentiation. Now I will make dl by d theta is equal to 0. So when 0, so this will transpose that side. So a sec theta tan theta is equal to a b cosec theta cot theta. Now change into sin or cos. A1 upon cos theta sin upon cos theta be 1 upon sin theta into cos upon sin theta. Cross multiply, you will get a sin cube theta plus is equal to b cos cube theta. So साइन को इधर ले जाइए और a को इधर ले जाइए, तो साइन क्यूब थीटा अपॉन कॉस क्यूब थीटा इज इक्वल टू b अपॉन a. It means tan cube theta is equal to b upon a. It means tan theta is equal to b की पावर 1 by 3 a की पावर 1 by 3. Okay. Now we have to find double differentiate d2l by d theta को क्या प्रूव करना है, मिनिमम. So it will come maximum. So we have to double differentiate. Again we have to differentiate d2l by d theta square minus b, take out common. So this you will take first function and this you will take second function. Now cosec का क्या होता है, minus cos first function cosec theta into minus cot square theta plus second function cot theta minus cosec theta cot theta. This is over. Now I will take this first and this second. Now this bracket closed. Now again you take a common. First function sec theta into sec square theta plus second function tan theta और sec का क्या हो जाएगा, sec theta cosec theta. Now take out minus common, it is already minus, so d2l d theta square is equal to minus minus बाहर आ गया, प्लस हो गया, b cosec theta and cot square theta plus cot square theta, cot into cot square theta cosec theta. फर्स्ट फंक्शन इनटू डिफरेंशिएट, इसका cosec स्क्वायर होता है माइनस cosec स्क्वायर. सो इट इज cosec क्यूब थीटा प्लस cot थीटा cot स्क्वायर थीटा cosec थीटा ब्रैकेट क्लोज्ड प्लस a sec क्यूब थीटा प्लस tan थीटा sec थीटा एंड tan थीटा. tan का क्या होता है, सेकंड sec थीटा tan थीटा, it is tan थीटा, so it is tan square theta sec theta. So here you see that d2l by, here we clearly see that d2l d theta square is greater than 0, that is positive. So l is, length is minimum at tan theta is equal to b upon a to the power 1 by 3. Now this is p, this is perpendicular and this is base. So we have to find hypotenuse. We have to put the values of L in 1. इधर अपन को वैल्यू रखनी है sec cosec theta और sec theta की, तो we need hypotenuse. So I will calculate it here. This you have to prove. So what is hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is equal to h is equal to under root p square, that is b to the power 2 by 3 plus a to the power 2 by 3. Now what is L? L is here b cosec theta plus a sec theta. So b cosec theta is what? H upon p. H upon p. Hypotenuse is h b upon 2/8 upon b की power 1 by 3. This is perpendicular and sec theta is a upon hypotenuse b 2 by 3 plus a 2 by 3 upon what is sec theta, what is base? Base is a 1 by 3. Now it will comes up, it will come up. So length is equal to, ये पावर माइनस हो जाएगी, it is 1, 1 minus 1, 2 by 3 under root b2 by 3 plus a2 by 3 plus a2 by 3 b2 by 3 plus a2 by 3. Now you see that this is common. So L is equal to a2 by 3 plus b2 by 3 ब्रैकेट में a2 by 3 plus b2 by 3. So this will gives you, if you add it, base is same, power is at a2 by 3 plus b2 by 3. This is 3 by 1 plus 1 by 2. So 3 by 2. This we have proved.